I was professional riding motocross and supercross world championship in the 90s, 2000s, and then after I went to the endurance racing. Just after that, with my colleague, we did decide to do like a YouTube channel specialized by testing all kinds of off-road bikes. Off-road bikes, it can be enduro, motocross, supercross, but also trail adventure. So that's a big challenge for us because we have to speak about the riding style, but also we have to speak about the mechanic specificity. People want to learn how to actually fine-tune their bike. So the YouTube channel is perfect for that. So I'm still riding, I'm 45, and actually I don't want to stop, As long as we can meet people, we're gonna keep doing that.